So for today, we are comparing two spaced repetition tools, which is the Anki and the RemNote. So first, Anki is a tried and tested flashcard application with powerful customization. The pros of it is highly configurable, an open source, and it also works offline. Its cons are it is outdated interface and steep learning curve for plugins. While in RemNote, it integrates spaced repetition with note-taking, and the pros of it is a bidirectional linking, document-focused approach, and built-in spaced repetition. While its cons are it is limited offline support and complex interface for the beginners. In comparison, choose Anki for pure flashcard-based learning and choose RevNote if you want note-taking integrated with spaced repetition. In conclusion, if you need a powerful standalone flashcard application, pick Anki. For connected notes and flashcards, go with RemNote.